Namaskar children. Today we are going to talk about something very close to our heart. Food. Yes, that yummy plate of food on your table every day which gives you energy, helps your body to grow and keeps you safe from diseases. But have you ever wondered what makes a food healthy or unhealthy? What do terms like balanced diet, bodybuilding food and protective food really mean? Let's explore all of this together. Food is not just about taste. It gives us three important things: energy to play and learn, strength to grow, and protection from falling sick. So children, eating variety of food is like giving our body everything it needs to be stay fit and happy. Let's play a quick game. I will show you a food item. You have to tell me if it is a bodybuilding food, energy giving food or a protective food. Yes, you are right. Rice gives us energy. Peanuts help us to build our body. Lemon, you all are right. It is a protective food. Wonderful children. I think all of you have become a food expert. Children, during rainy season, you can see beautiful rainbow in the sky. Just like a rainbow needs many colors, your plate needs many foods from all food groups. It is to be called as balanced. Can you see here fruits and vegetables? Yes, they are our protective food. Grains, rice, they are our energy giving food. Milk, eggs and pulses, they are our body building food. And yes, you need clean water too. Balanced food makes us energetic, strong and healthy. As you know, our country has unity in diversity and it exists in food also. India is full of tasty thalis, from dal bati churma in Rajasthan to idli dosa in Tamil Nadu. Every region offers food that is healthy and special too. Each thali has a food from different groups. So what are you going to do today is ask your parents or grandparents about a special thali of your region. List the different food items in the thali and share it with your friends. Let's talk about 6 traditional tastes as told in the Ayurveda. They are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent and astringent. Have you ever tasted a dish which have all the 6 tastes? I know one of them. It's Ugadi Pachadi from Karnataka. It has all the 6 tastes. Children, how many of you like to eat chips and drink soft drinks? I can see many of you raising your hands. I'm very sorry to say, both are non-healthy food. Do you know why chips and soft drinks are not healthy? Because they have too much of salt, sugar and oil. Eating junk food daily makes our body tired and unhealthy. So, we have to say no to the junk food, but to say yes to the fresh, home-cooked food. Start your food diary today by writing down what you ate for breakfast, lunch and dinner. For 1 week, circle the healthy item, cross the unhealthy ones. This will help you to learn what to eat more and what to avoid. Do remember, water is food's best friend. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Food can be cooked in many different ways. How we cook food is also important. Boiled, steamed, baked food is often healthier than deep fried food. You can list out the different ways of cooking food for the food diary prepared by you. So, dear children, today we have learned why food is important, what a balanced diet looks like, what to avoid. Now remember this golden rule: healthy food, happy mood, and always be thankful for the efforts behind every grain of food from the farmer, the sun, the soil, and your family. Namaskar.